Hey, it's your IBD Live Tweeter-in-Chief Rachel Fox wrapping up another week of trading here on IBD Live. Investors' faith in the current stock market rally was truly tested this week for one of the first times since the start of the new market uptrend on April 2nd. From Tuesday's highs to Thursday's lows, the Nasdaq pulled back as much as 5.9%. The good news is that this pullback is still fairly small compared to the size of the Nasdaq's largely vertical advance from its March lows of the coronavirus crash. Also, despite this week's volatile action, institutional selling remains mild with only one day on the Nasdaq on May 12th. Additionally, the IBD Live team agreed. With some leading growth stocks showing little signs of wear and tear, it's still too early to give up on the confirmed uptrend. There hasn't been a decline and subsequent rebound quite like this in the market's history. The strength of the stock market rally is truly unprecedented, which makes it very hard to know what investors should expect next. The strong rally off the lows suggests that investor sentiment is trending in a positive direction despite economic uncertainty, but investors must keep in mind that markets are still facing headwinds as investors brace for the negative ongoing impacts of the coronavirus pandemic. Recently, there's been an increase in discussion surrounding the disconnect between certain economic figures, like unemployment numbers and the stock market's strong gains. It's important to note that investors must prioritize what the market is doing rather than any predictions over what the market might do because of poor economic indicators. Follow the trend and just adjust your expectations as you go. A handful of actionable stocks featured on IBD Live this week included Dow tech giant Microsoft, ServiceNow, and Chipotle Mexican Grill. All three were discussed during the IBD Live stream as each one landed back inside a key 5% buy zone, your optimal point of entry for a new position. The next episode of IBD Live is coming up Monday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern, so as always, tune in then for more actionable setups and live market commentary, and we'll see you then.